typhoon with destructive winds has struck Guangxi Province in China. Wind speeds reached 35 meters per second, posing a threat to people and structures. The hurricane is tearing roofs off residential buildings in Nanning, Luzhou, and Yulin. Trees are being uprooted in Guigang, Qingzhou, and Hechi. The streets of the province are covered with fallen vegetation. Traffic is paralyzed due to obstacles on the roads in bays in Chengdu. Highways are filled with branches, utility poles, and other structural debris in Fengchenggang. The activity of airports, train stations, and seaports in Beihai and Wuzhou has been suspended. Flights are delayed, and ferries remain in port until the weather normalizes. Schools are closed in Hezhou and Yulin due to safety concerns. Kindergartens have also temporarily suspended operations in Luzhou and Chengzhou. Local authorities are asking the population to avoid going outside in Nanning. The recommendation to stay indoors will remain in place until the winds diminish. Weather forecasters predict that the gusts will ease by Tuesday. Tuesday is expected to bring clearing skies and stabilization in the province. Public utilities are currently engaged in emergency repairs in Yulin. Repair crews are addressing power outages in Qingzhou. Power is cut in many districts, affecting residential areas, schools, and businesses in Hechi. Residential neighborhoods in Luzhou, Wuzhou, and Fengchenggang remain without power. Specialized equipment is clearing roads in Nanning. Debris is being removed by trucks in Yulin. Road maintenance crews are working to enable passage for rescue services in Hezhou. Rescue workers are closely cooperating with local authorities in Chongzuo. The military is also involved in the response in Luzhou. Rescue teams are on duty without rest in Qinzhou. Special equipment is used to clear canals and drain systems in Yulin. Debris is being removed from major roads across the province. The main task for all services is a quick return to normal life in Nanning, Hechi, Wuzhou, and other cities. Supplies for clearing operations are arriving from Luzhou, Yulin, and Chongzuo. Rescue teams from Fangchengang, Beizhe, and Hezhou are on the scene. The military is helping move people out of danger in Yulin. Rescue workers are clearing debris in Qinzhou and Wuzhou with heavy machinery. Repairs to power lines are underway in Nanning and Luzhou. Damage to communication networks is being addressed in Hechi. The city of Chongzuo is ready to accommodate displaced people in a refuge center. Safe refuge, food, water, and sanitary facilities are available there. Rescue workers have set up a psychological support center for victims. Information about recovery operations is being updated by Yulin. The hurricane is also affecting emergency medical services in Wuzhou. Intensive care teams are ready to respond to distress signals. Roads in Nanning are closed until they are cleared. Luzhou is organizing additional patrols to avoid looting. Security forces are protecting abandoned buildings in Hechi. Weather forecasters are closely monitoring the trajectory of the hurricane in Chongzuo. The military is concentrating its resources in Yulin for further response. The Provincial Commission is developing plans to manage the emergency in Wuzhou. The leadership of the province stands ready to take all necessary measures. Information will be updated as new data comes in from the city. Guangxi continues its battle against the destructive winds. The hurricane shows the vulnerability of even major cities' infrastructure. The rescue services response demonstrates their coordination under difficult conditions. The situation is gradually stabilizing, thanks to the efforts of volunteers and rescue crews. The cities of Nanning, Wuzhou, Yulin, Changzhou, Hechi, Wuzhou, Fangchenggang, and Beize remain at the center of recovery operations. Rescue workers are continuing their operations until normal life is restored in the province.